Here they are, baby. They made it all the way, baby. What's up?
Yeah, man.
Are you guys lost? Are you guys lost?
Huh?
You guys lost?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Hi, Gabby. Hi. Nice house, brother.
What's up, buddy? How you doing?
What's up?
What's up? What's up?
Look how happy this guy looks.
Oh my God. All right, so backing up the trailer here.
Let me see on that side.
Gonna be here for a couple days.
Come on, John. Turn it a little bit more.
Keep it going. No, you're good.
No,
Keep
you're
it going.
good.
Keep it going.
Turn it the other way.
So Holy Shift is putting the bricks there, so it won't move. Yeah, got it. So right now we're unhooking right now. This is a monster. This is long trip. How was the trip?
It was a 2-day trip. We cut it in two.
Yeah.
And it was like, now it's we're really exhausted.
I bet, man. I feel every moment of it, because trust me, I did it, and it was, my wife don't drive, so I did it myself, and it was tough. What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. We're here with Mr. Cycle Fanatics. Came to visit me from New Jersey. We're here for the Robert Simmons weekend extravaganza, but hopefully with the weather, it might not stop. It might stop us. So we're gonna see. We're gonna go out for a ride right now, and they're here in at my house for the weekend. Also here with Holy Shift and Glenn. All right, so make sure you follow them on Instagram and YouTube. So I'm gonna show you guys the bikes in the garage. Amazing. All right, guys, so we got here to the riding course with Robert Simmons. Just appeared on his beautiful trailer. Just got his new stickers on. Check it out. Look at that. Make sure you follow him on YouTube. The guy is growing like crazy on YouTube. Growing crazy. Make sure you follow him. Look at this. We're gonna show you guys how it looks.
Good now, man. We got to get it in while we can get it in, man. Very good to see you guys. Nah, John's taller than me. He said he's 6. His height keeps changing. He's 6'2".
So we got the guys here already. This is gonna be a private session with John, Holy Shift, Glenn. What's up, buddy?
I'll tell your wife she can sit in the truck if she gets cold, because having her sit out here,
Ah.
the bike's on, man.
Oh, I know. I'm charging something real quick. So we got the bikes here. Look at this.
Want to see it? Good. I didn't know Camilla was going to be here. This is actually the real Jersey crew. Yeah.
Jersey Shore, baby. So we're checking out his trailer here. She's a beauty.
Oh, it's nice. It's a nice bike. It's your color schemes, right?
Yeah, same part. It's the same bike. Parked it right next to the twin. Twin bikes.
We're here to learn. We're here to learn. All right, let's do it.
I left little Camilla's house.
Yeah.
I say it already. There's nothing to be nervous about. Absolutely nothing. All right. Absolutely. I mean that. Absolutely nothing.
That was me saying that, not Sandy.
I heard Sandy say it too.
I said it.
He said he's nervous.
Yeah. So we're gonna have fun. You're not gonna do anything you don't want to do. There's no pressure out here. All right. This is not what this channel is about. It's all about positivity and helping each other out. Okay. head and your eyes, even with the horizon, helps your balance. You ever balance a broom on your hand? You look up at the broom, so much easier. Do that trying to look like this. So much harder. Why? I don't know. It just is, right? If I see a motorcycle moving down, turn the windows off. I don't want you to. motorcycle shouldn't move an inch. Don't worry, I'm gonna be holding the tour pack. You ain't going nowhere. Keep it loaded, good. Let it out, let it out, let it out, let it out.
Try it one more time, Glenn. Yeah, one more time. Oh, sorry.
All right. Same thing. That was perfect. You did it. Copy and paste. Good. Pick up your foot. Don't move. Let it out. Good. You had it. Let it out. Put your foot down like this. Not like this. You know, you don't want to be out of control. It's going to happen sometimes. It's on two wheels. Not a big deal. So now I'm going to put a little lean into it, but I'm still going to come to a stop.
A little lean, a big lean.
All right? All right, who's first? Get it first.
One second.
Stop looking at my toes,
Sorry. I know it's tough. It really works if you look away, just to look right. It makes a big difference.
All right. Even with the horizon, head and eyes. You're molesting my cones with your eyes.
Sorry. All right, guys. So we did the course 1, 2, 3, and 4. We never got to 5 because the rain is actually starting to come down, as you can see. It's gonna get heavier here in Pooler, Georgia. Glenn is still out there doing his thing. You know, gotta take advantage of, you know, these guys are from Jersey. So we're just gonna pack it in. Unfortunately, we had to end the video a little early. Like I said, it's gonna start pouring and then we gotta ride back home. So I just wanna thank Rob. I wanna thank Cycle Fanatics, Holy Shift, and Glenn for coming out to Georgia, to Pooler, Georgia, and visiting me and Rob. I would truly miss these guys. I want to thank them so much for coming by and being in my house for the weekend. And we're gonna have so much fun, and we're gonna stop by Rob's house and, you know, talk and laugh and giggles and stuff. So like I said, I want to thank my Jersey guys for coming by. I really appreciate it. Love you guys. And if I'm ever in Jersey again, if I'm in Jersey again, but maybe just visiting, I will come see you guys, all right? Like, subscribe, comment below. I hope you liked the video that I did today. Like I said, it was cut short, but I'll see you on the next one, all right? All right, guys, so we came here for lunch after the ride course we did with Robert Simmons. And we're here at Longhorn. We're meeting up with, we met actually up with a YouTuber. He came from Memphis, Tennessee. Shout out your YouTube name here.
Real Riders Ride, the biggest little YouTube channel.
All the way from Memphis, Tennessee.
Memphis, Tennessee.
Coming by real quick to check out Robert Simmons' 1-year anniversary. All right. All right, guys. We're gonna show you guys the food in a few minutes, and then get the chow down. So we got the 22-ounce with the baked potato and the rice. Look at the plates up in here. Look at the plates.
Look at Rob double mash.
That's Glenn's a diet plate.
Yeah, baby.
That diet plate. You got Rob over there.
The diet plates.
Maybach music. Can anybody out there hear me?